In this video, I will show you how to disconnect YouTube with TikTok. So the steps are so simple to follow. Just make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, after you open up your TikTok account like this, as you can see now, to disconnect your TikTok or to remove your YouTube link on TikTok, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile like this, as you can see now, here is now my YouTube link. As you can see now, here is now my YouTube channel. If I tap on this link now, it will take me to my YouTube. So now I want to remove the link. So tap on this edit profile button. If you tap on this edit profile now, scroll to down and tap on this section where it says how, as you can see now, here is YouTube. As you can see now, under this social, here is the YouTube. So here is the YouTube channel name. So to remove the YouTube channel link, so tap on the YouTube section and tap on this section. As you can see now, your YouTube link will be removed from your profile. So tap on this confirm button. So as you can see now, the YouTube link has been removed. So if I tap on this back arrow now, as you can see now, under my YouTube, as you can see now, under my TikTok account, now there is no any YouTube link under it. That's it guys on how to remove YouTube link on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.